So, welcome fellow car lovers. So I was supposed to compare to Japanese off-road SUVs, right? But when I think off-road Honda, I can't help but think of the Honda Passport. I mean, that's pretty much all that comes to mind. So today, let's see how it stacks up against the ever-popular Toyota 4Runner. Before we get started, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the bell. Okay, now let's get rolling. So after, like a million years, Toyota's finally phasing at the 5th-gen 4Runner and bringing in the shiny new 6th-gen. Oh, this bad boy's got a fresh new 2020 for Tacoma pickup truck underpinnings, plus some modern tech, but it still looks all rugged and tough, like it could handle a bear attack. Nice. Now, the 2025 Honda Passport, it's the no-nonsense SUV for people who like things simple. It's got practical styling, a decent interior, and a bunch of features. But hey, don't expect it to do anything wild or exciting. It's not gonna turn heads like a Ford Bronco, and it's not gonna be as fancy as a Hyundai Santa Fe. But hey, it'll get you where you need to go without any fuss. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 4Runner comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, cranking out 270 horsepower. There is even a hybrid version with 326 horsepower. You can choose rear-wheel drive or go full off-road with all-wheel drive. It can tow a decent 6,000 pounds, just don't ask about the MPG. Toyota's being secretive about that. As for price, I'm guessing it'll start around $43,000 for the base model and can go all the way up to $57,000 for the fancy top trim. That's a lot of donuts, if you ask me. The 2025 Honda Passport, on the other hand, comes with a 3.5-liter stick that gives you 280 horsepower, and it comes with a wheel drive standard. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds, and it gets 19 mpg city, 24 highway. Prices start around $42,900 for the base Echo, and top out around $48,470 for the spiffy Black Edition. Not too bad, right? Now, the 4Runner's got some cool things going for it. It's got a hybrid option for those who want more power and better efficiency. Plus, the TRD Pro and Trailhunter trims are built for people who want to drive over mountains or rivers or whatever crazy stuff you do off-road. The 4Runner even has one of those cool pour-operated rear windows. You know, for when you need to reach out the back and grab a snack while driving, like a true off-roading champ. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. For one, rear-wheel drive is the default, so if you want all-wheel drive, you've got to pony up extra dough. Plus, unlike the Passport, the 4Runner comes with cloth seat, and even though it's more expensive, it still doesn't come with as many standard features. Now, the Passport might be cheaper, but it's got some pretty sweet standard features that you won't find in the 4Runner. Stuff like blind spot monitoring, remote engine start, wireless charging, and heated leather seats. All good stuff. And it's got that reliable, naturally aspirated thick engine, which is like the car equivalent of a comfy couch. But the Passport isn't perfect either. It only seats 5 people, while the 4Runner can fit an optional third row for when your kids need more space, or when you want to pretend you're a bus driver. Also, the Passport doesn't have that fancy digital key that lets you unlock your car with your phone. Bummer. And get this, the Passport only has an 8-inch screen, while the 4Runner can rock a 14-inch screen. I mean, it's like watching TV on a toaster versus a giant flat screen. So what's the deal? The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is your go-to if you want a seriously tough, off-road, ready SUV with some sweet tech. But be ready to pay for it, those top trims can get pricey. The Passport, on the other hand, might not be as hardcore off-road, but it's got more bang for your buck, with tons of standard features and a smooth, reliable ride. Plus, it's cheaper. So what do you think? Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, folks, don't forget to like the video, hit that notification bell, and of course to subscribe it. You know, to keep this Homer Simpson content coming. Off-road SUVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.